Hello
i-message.
guys, we are
Tapos po, tulungan po kayong mag-register online. Kung paano po mag-register sa PSA. May bayad po siya. Through Gcash po yun eh. 300 po. Ngayon, if gusto niyo pong pa-help, you can ask me po. Pwede po tayong mag-register sa table po.
Let's go be playing Village Sandbox. Let's go.
Pwede rin po siya sa phone. Mas madali. Kasi
That's kind of boring. Try Roblox.
Pwede po. Kung may question po kayo, pwede po akong tanongin. Para po, bago po mag-end yung klase, settle po yung mga documents po nila. Ngayon po, kung medyo, tawag dito, kung medyo mahirap po kayo mag-request, gano'n, may kasunduan naman po. Pero kung sana may kasunduan mo po sa mga grade 6, kasi pagkagay po sila dun eh. So yung mga po dito, yung live bird po.
Naka-live ka?
Hindi po kasi ako,
Naka-record?
hindi po memorize yung mga pangalan ng mga live bird lang. And kahit memorize ko man po, hindi ko naman po sabihin dito. PM po po kayo, tapos po, ask me po ako paano. Pwede po i-send yung link, tapos pwede po kayo magpatulong sa mga anak ko po yung malalaki na. Marunong naman po sila navigate. Gano'n naman po. So, yun po yung pinaka-concern ko, PSA. Kasi po, ang vacation po, March 30, hanggang March 30 lang po sila eh.
All of them really said to the teacher.
So, March 30 po pala, ang graduation, ang moving up, ang graduation po.
March.
Ngayon po, yung time po, kung anong oras, to be announced. Yun po. And for sure, tentative pa naman po yung mga ibang information about graduation, moving up, and audition po. Basta po, March 30 po yung end of school year po.
And now I'm with my dad right now. And now I'm right with my dad
Sa
right now.
records po, parang halos lahat naman po ata meron yung po ata sa lahat.
You don't want to show the face?
Po, lahat sa birthday. Ayun, halos po, no? Ito lang yung direct.
But today was just ultra mega cool.
Ayan. Mamaya na lang po yung classroom based recognition. Ngayon po, i-ano ko lang po, i-highlight ko lang din po yung periodical test. Yung periodical test po nila, March 19 to 20, Thursday and Friday po. Yun po yung periodic test. So, 1 month na lang din po. Ayun po, so, pagdating sa classroom based recognition, tsaka na po ito, later na lang po. Other matters, Sunday, next week po po, Valentine's Day. February 13 yung gathering, yung Sunday, and tapos po, ito po ay lost for kanina. Yun nga po, March 20 po ang bakasyon. And then, ayan. Tama po, March 20 po ang bakasyon. Moving up, ceremony, and graduation. Tama po. And sa mga na-award po, mamaya na lang po tayo. Ngayon na lang po tayo sa mga na-award po. Tapos po, sa mga nag-attend po ng first PDC hanggang fourth po, kung yung mga name sa attendance sheet, bigyan ko po certificate. So, sa mga supporting parents, maraming salamat po sa pag-show up. So, yun lang po. Congratulations and thank you. Bilis lang.
Let's go guys, you're gonna watch him play cards right now. And now, this is going to be epic and fire. Okay guys,
Paano mo ginawa yan?
mabisa.
Turuan mo ako next time. Yes,
So, let's go guys. Finally gonna be recording. Wait, let's stay. I'm gonna go to my papa. Let's go.
Tapos ka na? Mag-record na. Ay!
Oh no. Sorry, Dad.
Awardee ka? Meron kang 89 ba, oh. Mathematics, tsaka aralin paglipunan. Tapos, 94, pinakamataas. Science. Picture mo. Hindi, picture. Hindi pwedeng skip yan.
Tapos,
Hindi, hindi.
next guys, we are gonna go picture right now. And now I'm recording streaming over my school right now. I don't know if they kind of faking it. Anyways, guys, I will be back because I'm gonna go to a picture. I will go there.
Ay, pag po muna kayo malis, meron ako. Kayo po malis.
Okay, let's go, guys. I finally finished my picture. And now look, I got 3. 2 for my dad and 1 for me. I have all the 3 because we're still on the 3rd quarter now. And now it's now 4th quarter. Let's go. This is a banner.
Angel,
Sa labi.
Okay, I'm gonna be back. No, all the parents are just gonna go there instead of me. Oh, what a broken chair. No, so broke. This is kinda Guy. Woo. There's way too many photographers right now. It was a banger. We go out. We going out into the streets. We are gonna go out into the streets.
Patayin mo.
Oh, bye-bye guys. See you into the next video. Wait, stop recording this. Go.